so B. But not fair B. You try to form my channel and say, what? I try to find your channel. I try to find your channel. I try to point out, bro. Point out, I said it. Charlie, you smart? Hello, B. Okay.
Well, yeah. The man at the presidential election, you win it.
That was 2000 and... Is it 7?
He asked me or Ozzy? He asked me or Ozzy?
Okay, I know, I forgot.
You forget.
Yeah.
You don't.
What's up? I just got here. I'm walking up right now. I know, twin. I had to pick up somebody. Yeah, we're coming there right now.
I'm so like, my opportunity.
Yeah, opportunity. You ready to do the video? Oh, you not doing no more.
I'll do the video.
I bet. I got you. Bro, you know you don't look a mess. Say hi to the chat. Oh, we did a Nigeria today. Yeah, but I ate it. I'll let her see it. I never know who was Nigerian. I never expected it. Men leaving, men coming. Yeah, but how do we come late? I gotta find out what like flag. Hey, see you, man. I see you up already. I see you up on you. I know you looking at. I see you up on. I know you looking at. What's that? Yeah. What's that? Yeah, I see that nigga up on me. Exactly why you up already. Look at these. What's up? How we doing? Two dark sets of young black men. That's what I'm saying.
Is it vlogging?
What's Liberian business?
Yeah, I just want to say hi to the vlog. You know, it's going okay. Huh?
You're a professor! Ah!
Wait, you're sharking?
Come here, maybe real quick.
You sharking?
Come here, hold on. See him, man. How you feel yesterday? Why you left for?
On the game?
Yeah, but
I mean, the Red were cheating plenty, bro. We did what we can, bro. But it was a good game.
what are you doing, I feel?
The orange style with me.
What are you doing, I feel?
Paying your man 11 raise what they are doing.
The men drop you.
Bro, I slave out.
The men drop you.
Slave
I
out. I slave out.
The men drop you.
Go look at it, I slave.
Somebody, you getting one more today? You getting one more today?
Nah, I'm celibate.
I see you getting one more. I ask you if you're not.
Nah. Maybe not.
Yeah.
No, put me on.
Oh, you on?
Yeah.
Give me a phone over you?
Yeah.
You want me a phone over you right now? You want to do it together? We can do it. Trust me, we can. Bring your eyes here. But Vicky, say you're sitting up with now.
Yeah, point out, bro.
You're sitting up with
point out. I said it. Charlie, you said let me.
Onto my baby, onto my. Mama, let me ask you though.
Hey, well, take this question.
Onto my briefing. Onto.
1, 2, 3, go. Energy.
What's up? Smiling today. I thought you were smiling. What's up?
Wait, you came in sweating.
But I just came from work by relax.
Jesus Christ.
You know my tunis is on you, right?
Huh?
My tunis is on you.
Yo, why? Your 20 cent on me. My 20 cent on him.
You know my name?
Huh?
You know my name?
Sugar boy.
Oh my government name. See, you don't even know my name.
Nigga, you never gave me your name.
Let me ask you 3 questions.
Okay.
You not find your man?
No.
Okay. Second question. What year did Liberia gain her independence?
19.
She missing. You smart. And you Liberian.
Liberian.
You Liberian.
Real Liberian.
What year did Liberia get independence?
26.
What year? I said year.
Yeah.
What year?
1998.
1998.
You set you out.
No, I didn't. I swear to God, I didn't.
You set you out.
I just told Caroline. You can look on the camera.
How you know it?
Hold on, man. I'm not too smart.
I'm posting on you.
Hey, I'm
I'm posting on you. What up, Lamik?
They make a man more than time.
Me get girlfriend. Me get girlfriend.
Talk about wife.
Where girlfriend?
Where child?
I'm get one more. Ask my sister.
Where child?
Ask my sister. I'm single. I'm single.
I'm a big homie right now, single.
You know, single to make a
Single.
girlfriend.
He don't have a girlfriend. Well, you have a girl. Hey,
Oh my God.
you have a woman. I see her right here.
And I'm hot. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Namaje.
What year did Liberia get independence?
18 something.
You lie. What's your name?
Nia.
What year did Liberia get independence? What's your name?
Lala.
What year did Liberia get independence?
1867.
Wait.
What happened?
What's your name?
Roxanne.
What year did Liberia get independence?
1776.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. Oh my days. Wait, where my people at?
Make me crazy.
What's your name?
Viola.
What year did Liberia get independence?
18, 20, I don't know, 28.
What's your name?
Guasalim.
What year did Liberia get independence?
What's it?
What year Liberia get
I'm a little
independence?
drunk right now, I don't know. Oh shit. We're a little drunk. Why are you asking us
What
this?
tribe you are?
Gil.
You Gil guy? Inye?
I cry.
Some people stupid.
You stupid. We
What
were
about you?
drunk. I was stupid.
Abaso and cool.
You can speak your dialect?
Yes.
I just speak
Say
it.
something.
Moi.
What's that mean?
Me, huh?
What about?
Come on.
I want there. I want there.
What are you saying?
Ganinen doing.
Open that book.
Come studio.
Prega.
You married.
No.
Oh no, keep it on.
You
had to find out Woody.
Cut it.
See, Baba Labrin Jr. Hold on, let me come in the middle. Two people come on the side. I need y'all to tell me what's the most strategic thing you ever did in your parents' house. You don't lie. The worst thing you did in your parents' house. Don't lie to me.
I just snuck a boy in. That's probably the worst.
Snuck a boy in to do what?
That my man now. I can't bring him inside.
Snuck in to do what?
Just to chill now. Like what? We can do that crazy thing in the old man house.
We didn't bring a boyfriend.
You can do that crazy thing in the old man house. You know, all I did was cook. You feel me?
You what?
Cook.
She can't door in on my house. She can't door in on my house. What about you?
I've never done anything in my mom's house.
You said what?
I've never done anything in my mom's
So
house.
what's the craziest thing you ever did in the last month?
I don't know. Okay, I go knock in the car.
Oh, you go knock in the car? Did he have the AC on?
Yeah.
You go ahead. You. What's the freakiest thing you ever did in the last month? Look at me.
When? No.
Look at me when you answering that question.
I think it.
Don't think too hard.
I knocked when my parents were up.
You said what?
I knocked when my parents were up.
You knock when your parents was up?
Yeah. Well, they were not sleeping, they were awake.
I'm about to go. All for y'all, I'll pray for y'all. Let go. Oh man.
I get beefies for you, so that you go start vestation on the internet to me. And put it right now.
My piggy try to form my town. He said, what?
I try to find your chamo. I try to find your chamo. I try to find your chamo. Me.
The guy was in love with me.
What need?
I don't know. It was thing on it. It was thing on it.
I try to 14 on your chamo. I'm virgin. But I'm telling you. Come here. Come. I see Freezy. See me. See me. We got question for you. You ask the one?
Yeah, ask me a stupid question, of course. That boy, come on.
You smart? You smart?
Eh?
You smart?
Hello, babe.
Okay. What tribe you are?
I give a man crime, man. My man crime.
I hear grown people smart by way.
Damn bad.
So my question is, what year Liberia gained independence?
July 26.
What year?
1847.
Give it to me. I get one more question for you. What year did Eddie Johnson come inside chair?
Anything? I had against Papa Bo. But I'll tell you. Let me tell you, right? So
tell me.
After the Civil War, right? We needed someone to carry in the ease movement. So after they're doing 2023, after 2023 celebration, yeah, we end up here. Guess who?
Who?
I had him to sell it.
So now what year?
So I'm telling you right now, when she end up here, listen now, when she end up here, but man, I hear that question, ask me that question, I was slightly dead away. Let me tell you what she said.
Tell me what she said.
When she entered the chair, she needed a smooth thing. Because let me tell you, Helen is a strong woman.
She is.
People don't understand that. No, listen, you know me trauma and experiences you went through to be in that chair, all that war and things that were happening. You know that war, 30 people power away. Even though now I can tell you that war, 30 people. But when she entered the chair, what happened?
What she do?
She tried to comb the camera down. Because all the men were not doing anything.
What year?
What year?
What year?
So, it's the primary A, right?
What year?
The primary A, right?
You can tell me what year?
Listen now, sit down, listen. Let me tell you something.
Listen. I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Simple question.
Simple question.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
Cameraman, look, the cameraman not looking at me like that.
He looking at you.
Cameraman, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You know they call Google?
Google.
Go that shit, you answer that question.
But what year?
What year?
What year?
Hold on, man. Call him, call her.
I got one question for you.
Oh, man, answer your question.
And I know you do, so when I ask you smart question. You don't do it, when I ask you smart question.
Is how much I bet
man, you do it. Then when I good question, I say a statistical question. You ready? Which Liberian tribe of girls cheat more?
Nigga, pass again. Pass again.
Why pass again?
I don't know, bro. You don't believe it because you don't believe it.
I don't believe it.
That's the one that pass again.
I don't believe that one.
They make a penny to when I pass again, bro.
I don't believe that one, bro.
Why not believe
Why not believe it? Why not believe it? Man, answer your question. You're not telling me why you. I'm talking. So,
Lobu Lama.
No fat true.
Listen, bro.
Oh, the way.
Hey.
Oh, the way.
Hey.
Oh, the way.
Hey.
Mora. Mora.
Hi.
What? And I take that video you made on Rao Bangura. You tell the man say you want brain power head. Yeah, correct. You say you want brain a man power head.
Nah, I think that's your prank. It was not real, that was myth. I didn't mean to see it.
That's not you, Bojo. Don't you, Bojo? Where you not like? Who like Bojo? Where you not like? Bojo. I see you too. Carry your ass. You going to take that? Say you bring ass to me. Wait, hello. I can interview you.
About what?
About anything. Hey, my move at me. You touching my steez. See the girl? What job you at?
Passa?
Moi.
Yeah, something like that.
I said moi, the girl said yes. Oh my God, my own internet woman. What are you doing?
Internet? I'm your wife.
Oh, your heart. For the bottom of her heart. Yeah. Coming to my heart. Yeah. I always tell my mom. Yeah. I tell my pa. Yeah. I say moi, she say moi. Yeah. I say I want it, she say penny. Yeah. I get down one knee. Yeah. Mommy. You my wife. Me. I don't even say. Okay, come on, let me ask you my question now. Hey, you see the girl right here? That my baby puku nugu here.
Hey, Daddy.
My woman to be. My own self sweetness. My dark chocolate. Le pepper to my plenty. Le pepper to my soup. Le real out to my potato green. Le pump to my palm butter. My man, don't touch my woman.
Not too much on cash.
What I do? Wait! Grace! Ace! Grace! Can I interview you?
What's up?
Hello. How you doing?
Good.
Your man here?
No.
But why you really for? Your man here?
No.
You said no, so who your man?
Nobody.
I seen that video. Hey! I seen that video. Somebody sent me one video. You are Easter Club. You are twerking on one ball. What that boy mean?
I don't know.
What you lying for? That should not lie.
I don't know.
What the boy mean?
I don't know.
So,
Because nobody that we don't talk to anymore.
why did you throw food on the ball car?
People for you.
Onto my baby! Onto my baby! Onto my baby! How old are you?
I said, at your pa age.
Okay.
You not alright in the head.
Okay. Rate me on the scale, I want to say.
Okay. I said, Choco Ball, you are a good 9.
I'm a 9.
Little 9.
What do you mean a 9? Why I can get 10?
It's okay. Choco Ball, you are a good 9 because you are a little bit short. That will reduce it for your.
You're not over the age of 18.
See, we can't do that. Okay. Choco Ball, he fuck with my friend.
Wait. Come be ass here. Who the fuck is your friend? What friend I fuck with?
Hold on. We can't do that though.
What friend?
Choco Ball fuck with my friend.
What friend? Because I don't fuck with nobody from Philly, so what friend is it?
Choco Ball fuck with my friend.
Who's your friend?
Bro, chill.
Who your friend?
Chill, we can't disclose that in the vlog.
She said I fuck one of her friends.
What friend?
Who your friend? Me.
My friend is
Get the fuck out of here.
my man.
Hold on, get this on camera. Hold that, Choco Ball. Give me the flag.
What you talking about?
Hold that, Choco Ball. She's your girlfriend.
I don't have a girlfriend. Come on, leave my fucking flag, man. You stupid, eh?
She's your girlfriend.
Who your friend? That Pata Martin Christmas?
Oh shit.
Oh! Come. My DJ. Yeah, ba. I seen that video you did, Breezy.
What video?
You Nicki Minaj now?
What video?
You Nicki Minaj?
Let me tell you something. All the patients were not standing on business, so I stand on business more than that. Let me tell you, I stay on top of the banner, so I know I'm going to die.
Hey! I get one more question for you.
No patient can stand.
Let me ask you a question though. What tribe are you?
I'm cool, man.
You cool, man?
I saw people there.
Okay.
Most respectable child, bro.
Hey, you smart?
I'm very smart.
You smart. Where's the capital city of Muscle County?
The capital city of Montreal, I can't lie more over.
You lie.
No, where is it? Bentonville.
Yeah. You got it beat. What happened to your knee? I tore it.
They can kick it. You can't
I'll do it too. Me and you. I got my ACL.
Let me kick your
Don't kick
own.
my own. You stupid. Eh? Look. My question is, you are born in Liberia.
Yeah.
You're born in Liberia. Can you name the capital city of this county in Liberia? What is the capital of Monrovia?
Monrovia, not capital.
Yay! Okay, where is the capital city of Muscle County?
Raspo.
Hey. I'm asking you one more time. What the capital city of Maserati County?
Raspo.
So Raspo the capital city of Maserati County.
I thought I was Bensyville. Bensyville, I did. I used to have it.
That's the Maserati County, Bensyville. You forgot the song?
Now my boss did this song.
What the capital city of Grenke County?
I'm stop that thing, man. I'm saying born never said when drinking my country. I don't know you can go say.
Okay. If we celebrate Independence Day on July 26th, what year Liberia gained independence?
1826.
Hey! Hey! Yes! Where America is?
18.
Where Liberia is?
26.
Yo, I gotta find out you. I got a guess. Where your name?
My name's Blessing. Be for Blessing.
Where your TikTok name?
User not found. Liberian Jollof.
What tribe is the best tribe?
Bassa.
So I.
It's actually
Bassa Loma.
Scratch your head. Thank you.
Can I ask you a question?
Ask me a question.
Am I catfish?
You're not a catfish.
I'm beautiful, right?
You're very magnificent, sophisticatedly beautiful.
I know.
Who tell you say you're a catfish? Let me do your name.
Nobody tell me.
Okay, my question is, because don't you escape my question. If we celebrate Independence Day on July 26th, what year Liberia gained independence?
Guys,
What are you laughing for? You can't come in.
1847. Is correct?
And you're a Bassa girl? You're a Bassa girl. What is the capital city of Grand Bassa County?
No.
Hey, the guy said Grand. Grand Bassa County.
I don't know it. I was born here, man. I was born here.
I was born here too.
I don't know nothing about that.
Come here. I asked you a simple question.
Alright, what is it?
You gotta face the camera.
Oh, no,
You better again.
No.
You wish her.
She's shy.
No shy.
I'm kissy.
You see, girl? So I had to for you to say.
Kissy Gribble.
When I mean what girl to be like that for, you scared me, yo.
Kissy Gribble.
Okay. Fun girl with the wet toes.
She looking sweet?
Oh, like, all our brave female look sweet. And the jamo die skin. But my question is, how many times you cheat?
None.
She lying?
I don't cheat. I'm loyal.
Spell loyal.
Loyal. L-I-B. How many times have you cheated?
I've never been in a relationship.
Oh, really?
Never.
What's the question? I said, how many times have you cheated? He said he never been in a relationship.
I lied. See, that was a lie. I tricked you. I've been in one relationship. I never cheated.
Liberian man. Liberian.
This one's drunk. She drunk.
I spell it correct?
She drunk. You drunk. You drunk.
But it was like being in your video. Follow me on TikTok and
Don't follow her on TikTok. She's just gonna remove you. I'm telling you. Remove you. I can't interview you. What are you working with for? What's your name?
Nadia.
I know Nadia. Nadia from the counties. What tribe are you?
Huh?
What tribe are you?
I'm Crew and Gil.
You cool, girl?
And
Me
Gil.
too. What is the capital city of Grand Bassa County?
Look at that? No?
What is the capital city of Grand Bassa County?
I don't know.
Who is the current president of Liberia?
Joseph Bakwa.
Smart, you know that one. Who the vice president of Liberia?
Shit, I don't know that one. I don't know that one.
Okay. Which Liberian man cheat the most?
Bassa.
You stupid, eh?
I'm stupid.
You stupid. Why you say Bassa for?
No. But what?
Hey, God.
You feel me? You don't view, bro. Don't worry.
You know what you showing me? But you know, I'm not even going to ask you today. But I'm just letting you know in advance. My 26 is on you.
Alright, my 26 on you too.
Latest person, when you give me a 26, I'll give you my own too. It makes sense, right? Where your friend? I want one Alright, thank you. My daughter! See you, man! My big brother! I just want to ask you simple question.
Yeah, nah.
Firstly, also real thing. What you need?
I need Saki or Sakisi, Mr. AKA, all that.
The next question I'm coming to ask you. What is the best country in West Africa?
Liberia, duh. Come on.
Correct. He said it smart.
Come on.
He's 2 for 2 right now.
Well done.
My next question. What job are you?
Agiziba.
Gisiba. What country is that?
Lofa.
Lofa country. What is the capital city of Lofa?
I know.
My next question. What year the man at the presidential election is you winning?
That was 2000 and... Is it 7?
He asked me or Ozzy? He asked me or Ozzy?
I know, I forgot.
You forget.
Yeah.
You don't. Be an ass back here. My next question. What year Liberia gained independence?
1847.
Hey, you know that one.
Tight shit. Come
My
on.
next question. Who's the best Liberian tackle?
I want to say me, but since Brody here, I'll say that choking ball.
See it? The question younger respect. Younger boy respect me. I expect my Judah to say for you tomorrow.
Don't worry, come in.
They come in.
I'm your blood, brother.
I get my mom blood on me.
Don't worry, then you'll fire.
Dada, Larry, and you know, get to the questions. What's 5 things that make you Liberian?
What's 5 things that make you Liberian?
5 things that make, or let's say 3. 3 things that make you Liberian.
My mom who could cuss me, and loving Kasali. That it.
Loving
I like
you get one more.
Kasali.
You get one more. You're supposed to say we get B no bad.
Oh yeah, I thought it B, but not that B. Yeah. Knowing that Chamo name with BB Bug.
Thank you. Let go. We on to the next.
We are in the building.
So we are in a fucking building. We get question for you. I get question for you. What is 3 things that make you Liberian? Since you here in 26 today for this beach day.
You play anything.
You can play with
my dummy.
your dummy.
Don't play my dummy.
All right.
Let me tell you now. You know another thing? I walk from Relay.
You want to really?
I walk from Relay all the way Banaville.
All the way Banaville. I will make you Liberian. You get one more.
My woman Bennett, don't play with it.
The woman Benny, you say you can't play with it. Say that again.
Don't play my woman Bennett. And then you know what?
If you can get one more right now, let's go find something. You go talk to them.
They just start. They got
I ain't see that.
No, but
they made dance scary.
You know what I be? Superstar, football player. We just saw doing it.
Hey, you know.
We can rely on Juno can't do it.
Tell your shit.
Who we are.
All right.
I will. If you never know who we are, you just gotta rely. Yeah, you get run. If you start rushing, Juno look at you. They say you desperate. They say. Yeah, everybody look at you. Say
You pass the ball one time, you dress by. Hey, you know what I'm saying?
desperate, so we rely. You feel me? Kalulu.
All right, appreciate you. Let's go.
You can get it or not? Sister, hello.
Hello.
First thing first, where you need?
Na interview.
An interview.
Oh.
You see how my sister look pretty? Don't you want to waste water on me?
You ain't getting no water. You just coming?
I just got here.
It coming finish. You just got here. Liberian people.
It don't matter.
Liberian people, you get Liberian people, you get trusted with time.
She's talking too much. Where you need?
My name is Dee.
What country you from?
Grand Bassa.
Grand Bassa. Now my next question. Where is the capital city of Grand Bassa country?
Capital city.
I say capital city. You ask me capital city.
Well, you
Okay,
too.
step down,
And you
man.
Bassa too.
Come to work now. Hey. Now we doing it. You keep it grass for 24 hours? So why you shake my hand for? I can interview you. Hey. How you doing?
I'm okay.
Where you need?
Stephanie.
Can you please tell the people why you get veiled me yesterday for?
Because he proceeded to say my hair was looking at one little boy. Like,
Tell the truth.
that's the
Did you really think your edges was looking sophistical?
It was looking Pacific.
Okay, my next question is, what job are you?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. But I gotta go. I'll catch you later.
She don't know her fucking tribe.
Can I be in the video?
I want to interview you. Your hair look magnificent.
Wait, don't put it away.
Your name is?
The big Jew, actually.
The Big Jew.
Yeah, cut that short out.
What tribe are you?
Abasa and Loma Gang.
Moi. I wonder.
Abba Zobo.
She just said a bunch of bullshit. I'm not even Basso. But anyways, my question is, if we celebrate Independence Day on July 26th, what year did Liberia gain independence?
You ain't talking about trivia yet with Julio.
What year Liberia gain independence?
What the fuck?
What year Liberia gain
Why
independence?
y'all gonna get me?
What year Liberia gain independence?
1865.
Okay,
1865.
1847.
My fault.
My next one is, what is 3 things that make you a Liberian?
I can cook. I get people. I love my gang. Thank you.
I mean, you did 3 years answer one question. Don't get too jungle.
No, listen, bro. Listen.